Welcome. Einstein said that genius is just 1%, 99% is hard work. Some entrepreneurs, they really succeed, make it big, and while some entrepreneurs, they fail, they stop, they feel defeated on their way, on their journey, right? So what is that? Is it just luck or destiny? Or is it something, some traits which are required to make it big, to make it succeed, right? So I will share those 50 traits which make an entrepreneur uh, a grand success. To make it easy for you to remember, to connect, I have made it this for this entrepreneur. So E stands for enterprising. Enterprising is one who is hardworking, yeah, who can create enterprise, who is innovatively, who can think differently, he can think, so he's enterprising and empathetic. An entrepreneur needs to be empathetic to other people's need, like their own stuff. I share with you one entrepreneur's story that how, when he visited his unit, he was having one meeting where one worker came and he said that toilets, which they are using, the workers are not good, rather they are in very bad shape. So he called HR manager and he asked that how much time it will take to get it corrected. So the HR manager said, oh, it will take 1 month, So he said, fine, no problem. He said, just exchange the nameplates which were written outside those toilets, the workers or the senior management toilets. So he said, just exchange. It's fine, you can take 1 month. And can you imagine, they got corrected in 4 days because now the senior management were using workers' toilets, right? So because he understood, he empathized that how difficult it is, but they're not realizing very comfortably, they said 1 month. So this is how an entrepreneur can connect to people, can solve their problems, so he makes it a grand team. So they also want to give life for this entrepreneur who understands his problem. So this enterprising and empathetic is a very, very good quality. Then N stands for neutral and non-stop. So N is neutral. So it's not that some people are their favorite, some people are, they are averted to. It's all are equal. And it depends on their ability, capability, how they're contributing, but they are not prejudiced, they are not discriminatory. And then they're non-stop, they're unstoppable, so they don't stop, no matter what happens. Like many, entrepreneurs I know, even in my own life, I have seen fire in my industry, so many bad incidents, but we can't stop. We have to continue. This is also again quality of an entrepreneur. Again, Edison, his lab got burned when he was 67, but he didn't stop. Thereafter, he created so many patents. Then T is for time management and teamwork, most important aspect. If we are able to manage time, we can create wonderful things. But if you're not able to, manage time, we are all the time feeling tied up and not use it wisely, then I think we cannot accomplish much. So you will always see that the great leaders, great entrepreneurs, they are able to read books, they are able to learn, they are able to attend many coaching sessions to grow, so they interact with the society, they socialize, they play games, sports, do exercise, take care of their health, everything they manage. So time management is very, very important aspect of an entrepreneur. Then teamwork. They, like there are two partners. You will see the best of startups. They have two partners or more partners. Like many, startups, like they are 12 IITians or some IIM students. So BITS Pilani, there was one project which two friends they did, right? I think that was Zomato. So there were two partners. So they know how to work in a team. So it's not me, that culture is not there no more. Entrepreneurs know how to respect each other, their talent, and go together. Then R stands for respectful and ready to learn. Very, very important aspect, that they are very respectful. They just, I've seen those entrepreneurs, those who are not respectful to their team, those juniors, the customers, ultimately they have failed. So ready to learn. So they are very, very eager to learn. I always feel the day one feels that I know all, that is, thereafter deterioration starts, so one should never feel that it's the end of their learning. One should be always ready to learn, so open-minded. Then E is energetic and effective. So how will you will have energy as an entrepreneur? Energy will only come when we have enough time, when we are learning, when we are healthy, right? So then we'll be energetic. So good entrepreneurs, you will always see that they are very, very active, very healthy. They're very conscious of their health also, So then effective. So they're very effective. They're not just beating around the bush. So they mean business, they talk business, they do whatever. There is a grand meaning to that. So they're effective with their team, with their customers. Then P for positive mindset and persuasive. So they have very positive mindset. So that attracts to the customer. If you go to your customers, those who are big customers, OEMs, or internationally, you're traveling, you want partnerships, you want to pitch your product, so you need to have very positive mindset, as well as you need to be very softly and positively and smilingly persuasive. So you can't just feel offended if somebody said this, oh, then I can't, so they don't have ego. They can be as strongly persuasive as, like really persuasive, right? So then R stands for reputation and revolutionary. So R is, like reputation, they have such character that people respect them. They feel that, oh, he is a good person. So only the people, they carry good reputation, those who are dealing with him, so they always will rise. Of course, people will like to associate with them, like to even put in their investments in those projects with such kind of people. People invest with good people only. So reputation is very important phenomena. Then revolutionary. So they can think differently. It's not that they will go with the, past phenomena or product or the kind of systems they're going. So they can revolutionize. If you will see, how the industries have been revolutionized, it's only because of people like Ola, Uber, so many projects, Zomato came in because they were revolutionary. They did not think the old way, oh, who will stay in such houses, small hotels. They did not think such ways, or people are only used to their own cars, or those who want to travel by auto, they can't afford. So they created such a ecosystem that people are able to utilize it. Not only they make it big, they're big unicorns, right? So E stands for exercising and earnestness. So exercising could be relating to health, exercising could be relating to work, exercising mind, doing a lot of things. Then it's as good as doing hard work. And the earnestness, they're very earnest. Whatever they do, they mean it. They're very sincere. N stands for no ego. So ego will lead you nowhere. So let's keep our ego at home. So no ego, no trap. Trap is what will others say? What if this happens? If I not succeed, then how will I face people? So that they are not in that trap. So they just take action. E is they earn respect. It's not because of their position or because of their title or because they are CEO or MD of the company. That's why they earn respect, because of their behavior, because of their product, because of their humility, and they make lot of effort into everything, whether it's creating system processes or selling the product or creating the product. So huge efforts goes in. U is ultimate commitment. So I've seen good entrepreneurs are really committed. Even if they have given time to any person, it could be a worker, they will fulfill that commitment. They don't take anything for granted. So whatever they've said, they mean it. They're unique. You will always find good entrepreneurs. They have something different. They are not ordinary. R is researchers. Now you shouldn't feel maybe I'm not extraordinary, so maybe I'm not unique. No, everybody is unique. It's only we need to polish our characters. So R is researchers and reliable. So they do a lot of research. If they have to take any decision, so they will research about the market. They will ask every member of their team. And after doing a lot of research, then they will come to certain decisions and conclusions. And they are reliable. So they are not that you can't rely on them. So they will be truthful. You can really trust them. So they're trustworthy. So these are the few characteristics of entrepreneur. Few more we will learn in the next lessons. Yeah. So look forward to in the next lesson. Thank you so much. Take care.